Orchard Toll Road, yeah man, Edward Siwaga Highway. Yeah, so we are go through and think take with time roll as the sign say over there. So yeah man, we are rolling now. Yeah, so y'all just stay tuned. Do remember to like the video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. And please do remember to share this video out with your friends and your family. Yeah man, just stay tuned as we go along. You don't know the thing come now. First me I go walk as well. Yeah man. So stay tuned. So me just take the money turn there. Yeah. So we are about to exit the toll. Yeah man, the toll plaza come up here. So I go see how much them a charge and now if we go in this place here, Unity Valley toll plaza. Alright, yeah. So there's something I don't pay $1,500 cost, yeah man. The toll $1,500. So if I exit the toll at Monig, the cost is $1,500, yeah. And you know what I mean, like after exit the toll, you just go up on a bad road, Jaja. Yeah, and road to this country place here. Walkers would wear it in a center. So I don't feel like the center is all about this pretty thing. No, no, I just watch you alone. No, I got come the center and a bush. Yeah, my beautiful viewers and subscribers to them there in a walkers do this in our center. Yeah man, so center as you can see, walkers do here one country place. Bush one go today now, but guess what, go on little rain and fall, but I think we are gonna make the rain stop with. Yeah man, so stay tuned, I could see how we can get now. Yeah. Alright, now I'm there under one calabash tree. Yeah. Them are some small one, them are more like some cup size. Some cup size calabash. Yeah, them one are small. You say my fine dry coconut. Then so we fit them can come up. We see. Come and turn up there. We see. Catch it and shake it. You must know if they're good. Gather them, Ziggy, gather them. Coconut tree, let's see if we can get some jelly off of it. Some smaller coconut, them one are small and a big one them. That's right here. You see, outside. Say hello. You know, say hello. Well dressed, you know. Jelly pine tree, yeah. It's raining right about now. Yeah, I cover Julian. I think you get ready to go climb a jelly tree. This little girl here, warm to you? What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
Nothing? See, I get so much talking. Be talking today, I give have camera, you know. Put the camera upon her, she not say nothing again. Alright, so Ziggy attempting to climb the tree. Me? I don't know why him not use the ladder to help him go halfway. But he say I'm a real countryman still. Look how far him have to go. So Ziggy eventually go for a ladder, you know. him just see ladder with me that talk about. Yeah man, you know, to see a good distance that he can bring you. What kind of help you want? Huh?
I want to come down there. So.
You want to come down here, sir? Alright, come. Give me a hand.
And then when your mother talk first?
Yeah, I got job.
Worse one that. Holy jelly on the tree now. Jelly a pick. Alright, so Ziggy I come down for a tree now. What she say she had a record. Oh yeah, video. Alright, so I have to look for jelly them now. Get them jelly are small, you know. No, we are get out of them. They wanna look hard. Rain down here now. So this is how I go on so far. Yeah man. Get dry coconut. So holy for water that you see there. One they look like hard. See what go on the peeps? Look what go on. Holy for jelly we get.
Give me the one day
Alright, so Ziggy.
My daddy this.
See, I hear daddy this.
Yeah, mama. Oh yeah, I'll picture on. This is not the picture.
Full argument.
For the argument, and take me for the argument. Sure.
Alright. Here one this. No man, give she first man.
Thanks, yeah, daddy.
Kaleki. Bring your phone.
You cannot drink this now.
You cannot what?
Lina Martin.
Yes, that's it. Drink your jelly. Alright, chop my one now.
Tree jelly wet and slippery.
This is my one now.
I am cut mama one tire one. And I took my one.
One a video already. Tell Shana say boy then little bit but then we full of water. Yeah man, this a go on. Fresh door. Little mister she can't manage it, so me I drink it for her.
And I eat here one. See it there.
Shana, the thing then just look a little bit. Only for water them only look a little bit. A little bit then talawa.
No, cut that to eat.
Then I get no.
Mama, what is this?
She did full of me.
Oh, Mama.
Is he gonna get a spoon?
Hey, what is this?
Find one right there, so.
What is this? Buy one that?
Which here one? I get none. I don't forget that one.
Daddy, and I give you.
I want that. I want that. Yeah. You mean it's sweet and the jelly water fresh. Nah, give me no. They no buy chin already.
Don't catch me.
That's just it.
Yes, that's it.
I want them to get my hands bite them up. Nah, it's not bite me. Want some?
Got more water?
Sweet? Not chat no more now. Not chat no more. Little jelly, I'm like about enter la. Me next piece. Alright, so I back them up here now. Big up my video person. Nastas there, they're behind the camera and I'm looking niece. They're behind the camera now. Yeah.
You know much bag him out here?
Niece, they're behind the camera you know. I see what she going with. I put the bag here now. Walk up with bag. Yeah. Pack up bag. Basically, I pack up everything in this. Try and bring on them.
Ziggy, you want the back of you?
Alright, so yeah. It's my dry coconut them cut out. So when they come out already. But a good size coconut them man. And if we can find some more. And look what them talawa.
Eat rice and peas out of them already, man.
Yes, I meet rice and peas out of them already.
Regular.
I talk like a regular meat at your yard.
And the refinance, because you are the worst phone that you ever use. If you're not difficult, it's a blood meat, a phone a failure.
Come with me now.
Then me not have video, yeah, man. You're there on the video. See how much coconut that you have this already?
1, 2,
3,
3.
yeah. And this I gonna make? This I gonna make how much?
Give me daddy.
Yeah. So this one make how many?
They'll come feed them.
You have to come count again?
3, 4, 5.
No, come again. No, better than that, better than that. Come again, count again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 4. So you get 5 a while ago.
But we not want to bring them.
Yeah, go bring them down.
Daddy, I want your coat, no daddy. Daddy? Shana.
Hmm?
Shana, you're not let me count them again.
So make you count them again. When you finish, you count them. Alright, so Ziggy, I get some canes here now. Yeah. Cane feel kind of bush up, you know. I get out few canes. Yeah, man. Yeah, up on the countryside, I get some cane. One thing still, yeah, cut the cane them, I see like, yeah, even try cut the top them for plant back. I can't want no more. Canes. Alright. Only for cane this, you know. Push the things for it. Alright. I red fruit this year. But they want to say that one is young. Boil it, you can't even reach. Watch it. Chat your friend. As you can't reach it.
Isn't that ready?
What? What, so? Maca breadfruit, yeah. See? Big. May I try roasty? And 2 of them up on the tree, you know. 2 of them are alone up on the tree. And this we are hunting, you know. Maca breadfruit, yeah. First one, this. I actually hold it in my hand so close up. You see that one here big?
Yeah, that one
Yeah, man.
is big.
Big. And it can really, it can only get bigger. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna try roast that one. Go in that bush now. See what we can find in that bush.
Bush at all, you man.
Pumpkin farm in this, you know. You know, see none on the tree. Alright. We should come in. And the bush are full of hole. Bush are full of hole. I try to find potato. Yeah, that's some of my bush here. Favorite. Only bean. Some of them look old, but I pick them same way. See? They are nice. This can use with all in the ackee, you know, when you cook ackee and saltfish, or you cook up saltfish alone. They are nice in there. Only bean. They are good. Yeah. Long time I don't see them. So I get in some of them at least. I come a bush and find something I would want. Watch it.